Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas Olaf. So first for our Santa hat, on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then across on the right. For the cheek on the left hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then leaving a gap, lining this up at the same height on the right, we're going to curve this line back around and then in, blending that together on the bottom. Closing off the side of the head on the top now, we're going to arch this line up. Closing off the Santa hat on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's close this line off on the top now, bringing this across on the right. Now we're going to draw in a circle, curving this around from the top in towards the bottom. On the left, we're going to arch this line up. Underneath, we're going to curve this line in. On the top left, we're going to curve this line over and then down. And then we're just going to continue to bring this line down on the right. Now for the nose in the middle, we're going to curve this line over. On the top, we're going to arch this line out. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line back up. On the top, let's curve this line down. Moving up, we're going to arch that line in towards the middle. Now for the eye in the center, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the left. And then moving over on the right, we're going to curve this line back around and then in on the side. In the middle for the pupil now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Drawing in the highlight of the eye now, on the top right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for that highlight. Now for the mouth, on the corner on the left, we're going to arch that line over. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's connect this together by bringing this line over and then up on the right. And then we'll draw in a nice big arch line on the bottom, connecting that from left to right. For the teeth, we're going to draw in a curved line that brings that in towards the middle. And then we'll connect that together on the bottom. Now for the hands, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch that line over. We'll do the same thing on the right. On the inside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down towards the middle. And then moving over on the side, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in for the thumb. We'll do the same thing, pointing this in for the center. And then again on the right, bringing that in towards the corner. Now for the top layer of the body, we're going to arch this line in on both sides. And then we'll connect this together on the bottom. We're going to draw in a circle for the button. And then moving down, we'll replicate that again. Let's draw in the legs first. So we're going to curve this line over on the side. And then now from the top, we're going to arch this line around and then in on the bottom. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Olaf. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.